This is going to be a video tutorial on how to clear your CAC in the TikTok app. I'll be using an iPhone for this, but the steps should be very similar on other devices. Let me jump over to my phone here. Okay, I have my phone opened up now and I am on the TikTok app. To clear your CAC in TikTok, first thing you need to do is tap on your profile icon in the lower right hand corner. Then you will tap on the 3-bar hamburger menu in the upper right hand corner. Then you'll tap on Settings and Privacy. And from here, you'll scroll down to where you see right there, Clear CAC. And you'll tap on that. And that is it. You can see it went from 27 megabytes down to 0 megabytes. That is how you clear your CAC on the TikTok app. Thanks for watching.